Hello there and welcome back to Chris's Retro Corner. In a previous video we've had a quick look at cleaning up this to go into this. So now the case has been retrobrighted, I want to pop that floppy disk back into here. Case isn't screwed together, so let's get straight to it. Nope, nothing else in the bag. So it's been a little while since taking this out, so I may be having to make it up for myself, just on how that goes back in. With that in place, let's flip this over. And try and remember exactly where the screws went. Smashing. That's our floppy disk securely back in the case. Put that keyboard back on again. There's bound to be a knack to this, but it's been a while since this came apart and I've forgotten already. There we go. Floppy drive on first. And everything else just pops together. Several different screw lengths here, at least 2, possibly 3. I'll just have a quick think about what's going to go where. Might be a little bit of trial and error. It was that long ago that I took it apart. So, interestingly, that screw, designed to go into plastic, doesn't go into that hole or that hole. Both of those seem to be going into metal. So I'll have another look around. I know the case wasn't on properly when I first took it off, so I shall have to find a couple of decent screws to go in there. But for now, we'll pop it over. Get it plugged in and see if that drive works. Almost forgot. Almost forgot. If you've got an Atari ST, one of these cables is absolutely essential. There we go, that's better. Kids with your wireless controllers, you're missing out on, I was going to say joy, but the pain of cables. Pain of cables. Okay, let's switch on. Make sure it's on the right mode. On the TV. My ST can be a little twitchy. It doesn't always come straight up with gem when you switch it on. It has a bit of a think looking for a floppy disk. It will eventually get there. Most of the time popping a floppy disk in we'll start jam up. Okay, so let's see if we can read that disk. Moment of truth. It is in an STX format, so in all fairness it probably wouldn't come up here anyway. So here we go. Fingers crossed. Is he going to read the disk? Yes! What a result. Happy with that. I'll let it load up and I'll reset it again just to see. It was not working particularly reliably at all. So as soon as it stopped reading the disk, I'll restart it. We'll give it a couple of tests. Okay, let's try again. And there we go, smashing stuff. Right, if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment below, I'd love to have a chat with you. And if you like what you see and like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. For now, I'm going to play a little bit of Afterburner.